Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. Student, it is not unknown to you the ninth chapter means second chapter is going on, and previous video I taught you few questions from illustrations, that is illustration number 1, illustration number 2 and illustration number 3. The illustration 1, it was debenture were issued at par. The illustration 2, debenture were issued at premium, and illustration 3, it was debenture were issued at discount. Like that same type of questions I want to teach you from exercise of page number 112. I want to tell you page number 112, the question number 4. Let me read the questions. After that I will tell you which way you are doing. I will not write narrations because it will take time to write the narration, but explanations I will write in within brackets so that you can understand. When you read the question, that time the data which is required to solve this one, that will collect it very carefully. I want to tell you the same thing once again, please. Whenever you will read the questions, whatever the data is required to solve the questions, that will collect it. The Sachin Marble Limited issued 12,000 debentures of rupees 100 each. The total numbers of debentures 12,000 and the face value was 100 for public subscriptions. Interest is to be paid at the rate of 10%. That means it is 10% 12,000 debentures. So interest rate will be paid. So when you write the debenture, that time you have to write always 10%. 10% 12,000 debenture. And the amount were called up per debenture as under. This is it, what is given, that with application 30, with allotment 45 and call it is 25. So 30 plus 45 75 plus 25 is equal to 100. So it is tallied. The applications are received by the company 15,000. Whenever you are reading the here 15,000, that means here 12,000 and 15,000 means 3,000 excess is there, which money you have to give it back. After allotment of 12,000 debenture, rejected excess applications and the debentures are refunded money to the applicant. मतलब 3,000 डिबेंचर होल्डर का पैसा आपको वापस करना है. ऑल द अमाउंट ड्यू ऑन अलॉटमेंट एंड कॉल आर ड्यूली रिसीव. जब कंपनी पैसा मांगा था अलॉटमेंट का, एप्लीकेशन का नहीं, एप्लीकेशन मनी तो एप्लीकेशन के साथ ही आ जाता है, दैट इज रिसीव्ड बाय द कंपनी, राइट द जर्नलिटी इन द बुक्स ऑफ कंपनी. आई विल राइट इन short form फटाफट so that you can understand, and maximum sum I will be able to do. So first one, first journal is bank account debit to 10% debenture applications. So I am writing it here that you understand it. Here it is given that bank account debit to 10% debenture applications account. Actually applications money account, but I am writing here applications account. Here I am writing the explanation so that you can understand how many debentures you are going to collect the money. 15,000 debentures. What was the price of this one? 30 rupees. So you will get 4,50,000. This is the entry which you have passed for receiving entry. You have received the money, and this money you have to transfer to the 10% debenture. So again we will write 10% debenture applications account debit to 10% debenture account and to bank. That you keep in mind, because you are going to refund. How many debentures money you are going to refund? 3,000 into 30. Our price, it is there how much? Because 12,000 into 30, and this is already you understands, this is 15,000 into 30. As it is credited, here you have to write it is debit 4,50,000, and 4,50,000 it is coming. This is 90,000 is coming. This is and this is coming 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 is the transfer to the share capital. जैसे था ऐसा ही we are going to transfer to the debenture account. So this is first entry for receiving the money for application. Second entry, transfer the money to the debenture account as well as the refund. Now we will pass the entry for what? Allotment. सेम थिंग एप्लीकेशन का जगह अभी अलॉटमेंट हो जाएगा. तो 10% डिवेंचर allotment account debit to 10% debenture account. How many debentures we will call? Now not 15, 12,000. 12,000 debentures को पैसा हमको कितना रुपया करके कलेक्ट करना है? 45. allotment का प्राइस इज 45. If you multiply, you will get 5,40,000. 5,40,000. 5,40,000. This is the entry for calling. Now we will pass the entry for receiving. You have received the all money, so bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. So how much money you have received? 12,000 debentures of rupees 45 each, and this money you have received. So you have received 5,40,000 and you have received 5,40,000. Next entry we will pass calling for final call. Same thing here, allotment we wrote, there we will write 10% debenture final call account debit to 10% debenture account. How many debenture? 12,000 debenture. How much price? 25 rupees price. If you multiply, then you will get 12,000 into 25 means 3 lakh. So you will write it here, 3 lakh and 3 lakh. This is for calling entry. Similarly for receiving entry, bank account debit to 10% debenture final call account. This is 12,000 into 25, which is coming 3 lakh. This is the main basic journal. Receiving, transferring, calling, receiving. And that data beginning I did not write because I thought that whether I will get a pace or not. Issue 12,000 10% debenture at rupees 100, that was issue, and applications receipts 15,000 10% debenture, excess 3,000 10% debenture, that is refund, and it is given application I think 30 rupees, allotment 45 and call it is 25. This is the first questions. Now let me do the second one. Matlab question number 5. 5 it is coming for premium. But whenever premium will come, that time you don't worry about it. Premium, it will be credit. Let me read the questions so that you can understand. That Garbi Cotton Limited issued 6,000 10% debenture of rupees 500 each. 6,000 10% debenture. 6,000 10% debenture of rupees 500 each at a premium of 40%. 40% of 500. 40% of 500 is equal to coming, that is 200, on which the amount per debenture was payable as under. Application 200, allotment 300, 500 plus final call 200, 700. So with this 300, 200 is the premium was there. See, 500 was the face value and 40% extra, 40% of 500 is 200. That means company will collect total 700 from each debenture. 500 face value and 200 premium. So total 700 should be there. 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 700, and ojo premium 200 that is there with the allotment. Applications are receipt for the total 9,000 debentures, 6,000 debenture issue किया था, 9,000 debenture, that means again 3,000 debentures excess was there. From this excess applications were rejected and refunded to the money received thereon. All this amount due on allotment and call were duly received past the journal entry in the books of the company. Data, if you want to write data, I can write it first. After that I will do the journal. So data, first I want to write issue, how many debentures? 6,000, I think so. 6,000, 10% debenture of 500 plus 200. This is 40%. Okay. Applications receipts. Application receive how many? 9,000, 10% debenture. So excess, how much? 3,000, 10% debenture, that is refund. Understand? अभी applications, with applications 200, अभी allotment, with allotment 300, but within bracket you write 100 plus 200, and call, it is 200, and company received the all money from all the shareholders. So this is the data. Now we will pass the entry one by one. First we will write the bank account debit to 10% debenture applications. Bank account debit to 10% debenture applications. How many debentures you are going to receive the money? 9,000 debentures of rupees 200 each. If you multiply, you will get it here 18 lakhs. This is the money for applications which we have received. Now we are going to transfer this money to the 10% debenture account. So first of all, this is credit, we have to make it a debit. 10% debenture applications account debit to 10% debenture account and to bank account. Bank account already you know, because 9 and this is 6, matlab 3,000 debenture of rupees 200, and this is our is how much? 6,000. 6,000 into 200, and this is 9,000 into 200. 9,000 into 200 is coming 18 lakhs, that you understand, and this is I think 12 lakhs, and this is I think 6 lakhs. That means we are going to refund 6 lakhs money. Out of the 18 lakhs, 12 lakhs is our money, and we are going to refund the 6 lakhs. Now we will pass the entry for allotment. And allotment entry when we will pass, then 10% debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture, 10% debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture to security premium. 10% debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture to security premium account. Now how many say you are going to collect from this total? Now this is 6 and this is 9, that means 6,000, is not it? 6,000 डिवेंचर होल्डर्स का पास आपको लेना है कितना? दिस इज वेयर इज द एप्लीकेशन? यस, 300. Okay, and this is premium is 6,000 debentures of 200, and this is 6,000 debenture of 100. This you will get 18 lakhs, this will get 6 lakh, this will get 12 lakhs. This is the entry for calling for allotment with premium, and you have received the money. So when you receive the money, full money you have received. So bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. 10% debenture allotment account, you got that amount 18 lakhs. So that you write it 18 lakhs, and also you have received this 18 lakhs with premium. This is fourth entry. Now fifth entry, we will pass the same thing. 10% debenture final call account debit to 10% debenture account. And final call amount how much? 200. So 6,000 into 200. That already you got the balance there, 12 lakh. And you have received the money from all the debenture holders. So that is called bank account debit. Bank account debit to 10% debenture final call account. That is 6,000 into 200 is equal to 12 lakh. Same thing, the illustration 2. Very easy questions. Data, if you are able to write that collections data, इशू कितना है, कितना डिवेंचर है, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कितना है, फेस वैल्यू कितना है, प्रीमियम है कि नहीं है, एप्लीकेशन का साथ कितना था, कि एप्लीकेशन रिसीव कितना हुआ, एक्सेस है कि नहीं है, और एप्लीकेशन कितना है, अलॉटमेंट कितना है, फाइनल कॉल कितना है. बस दिस इज रिसीव एंट्री फॉर एप्लीकेशन, दिस इज ट्रांसफर एंट्री, कॉल रिसीव. और प्रीमियम इट इज ऑलरेडी credited. When it premium account will come when we will pass the calling entry. I think you understood. Let me do one more so that you can get the discount. So now we are going to do the sixth question number. Students, before doing the 6 questions, let me explain it first. After that I will do the 6 questions. Previous, very carefully you listen. Previous chapter, when I taught you the how to issue the share by the company to the shareholder, that time 2 types or methods are there to issue the share, only at par and at premium. Share cannot be issued at discount according to the Companies Act 2013. But in case of a debenture, the debenture can be issued not in 2 but in 3 ways. It can be issued at par like share, it can be issued at premium like share, but also it can be issued at discount, which was not there in case of a share. Premium means the company is taking certain money extra, and discount means company will take less money compared to the face value. Whatever the face value was there, less money company will take. And you have seen that one, that premium account, it came when you pass with calling entry and premium account was carried. Once again I want to tell you, each installment you are getting 2 entry, one is calling and one is receiving. Share premium account, it is coming with the calling entry and share premium is credited. Share discount is reverse of the share premium. When the word reverse I told, that time you understand. If share premium is credit, the share discount will be debit, and also it will come with the calling entry. Now the next question, the question number 6. I am reading the questions, you follow the questions first, okay, so that you can understand. Pars Badal Steels Limited issued 15,000 9% debenture. Total debenture is 15,000 and rate of interest is 9%. The name of the debenture is 15,000 9% debenture of rupees 100 each at a price of rupees 80 per debenture. From that you can understand why it is 80. Generally it should be 100. It is given, it is here 9% debenture of rupees 100 each, but at a price of 80 means it is issued at a discount. 100 रुपये का फेस वैल्यू था, उससे कम भाव में डिस्काउंट में शेयर डिबेंचर इशू हो रहा है. द अमाउंट पर डिबेंचर वाज पेबल एज अंडर 25 पर एप्लीकेशंस, 35 for allotment after discount. 35 for allotment after discount, that means actually this is 45 minus 20. नहीं, 55 minus 20. 55 minus 20. 55 minus 20 is equal to 35. Okay, and 20 is for call. Now you see 100 is coming or not. 25 plus 55 कितना हुआ? 55 60 70 80 80 plus 20 100. So if you calculate 25 55 and 20, it will be 100. If you calculate 25 35 and 20, it will be 80. So actually allotment ka price was there 55, but we have taken 35 because after giving a discount of rupees 20. Company received the applications for 15,000 debentures, only 15,000 debentures only, because here over subscriptions is not possible because share are issued at discount. So 15,000 debentures company application receives and all are sanctioned. The company received the full money called on allotment and received full amount on call except the call of 800 debentures. Only 800 debentures holder call money payment नहीं किया, बाकी पैसा सब आपके पास आ गया. तो let me write the data first. What is the data it is given? So issue, how many debenture it is issued? 15,000. 15,000, 9% debenture of rupees 100 at issued at 80. That means discount 20. That you understand? Application receipts. Applications received 15,000 debenture, 15,000 9% debenture. So no excess is there. Applications it is rupees 25. Allotment I am writing here 55 minus 20 is equal to 35, and call it is coming 20. And one shareholder, that is, sorry, not shareholder, debenture holder, name is not given. One debenture holder of 800 debenture not paid call money. This is the main thing which you have to understand. Remaining all are same. Now we will do one by one entry. First we will collect the bank account debit to 9% debenture applications. Number 1. Bank account debit to 9% debenture applications account. How many debentures money you are going to get? 15,000 debentures of rupees 25. Is that it? Excess you have not got. So if you multiply, you will get 3,75,000. 3 lakh, if you multiply, you will get 3,75,000. And this 3,75,000 which money you receipts for application, that you transfer to the next debenture account. So 9% debenture applications account debit to 9% debenture account. Both are not same. 9% debenture application and this is 9% debenture. Both are not same. This is 15,000 into 25, which will get 3,75,000. 3,75,000. First two is over. Now we will pass the entry for calling for allotment. Calling for allotment, 9% debenture allotment account debit, 9% debenture allotment account debit. This now here this 20 rupees is coming discount. So debenture discount account debit, debenture discount account debit to 9% debenture account. That you keep in mind. Debenture discount how much? 20 rupees. How many debentures? 15,000 debentures. 15,000 debentures, 20 rupees is that one. Correct? And you are getting here that 15,000 debenture of 35. And here 15,000 debenture of 55. That will keep in mind. If you multiply 15,000 debentures of 55, you will get 5,25,000. 5,25,000. And if you multiply this one, you will get 2,25,000. 2,25,000. And if you multiply this one, you will get 3 lakh. See, this 55 in your book nowhere it is written. डिबेंचर का प्राइस अलॉटमेंट का 55 रुपीज़ था, इसलिए आपको मिलेगा 35. आपने डिस्काउंट दिया तो डिस्काउंट इज ऑलवेज लॉस, सो इट इज़ डेबिट. प्रीमियम इट वाज प्रॉफिट, सो इट वाज क्रेडिट. सो योर जर्नल इज 9% डिबेंचर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट, डिबेंचर डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट, डिबेंचर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट, दैट इज 15,000 इंटू 35. अलॉटमेंट का प्राइस इज 35 and discount is 20 and 9% debenture. Now you have received the money. How much you have received? This much you have received. You have not received this one because price was 525, but you have given discount 3 and you have received 225. So you will have to pass the journal of 225. I write it here. Bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment account. Here you will write 15,000 into 35, which comes to 25. Now last two entry that every one of you know, very easy last two entry. What we'll do? We will pass the entry for calling. Calling for what? Calling for final call. Calling for final call. So 9% debenture final call account debit to 9% debenture account. How many debentures we will call? 15,000. What is the price of that? It is price is I think 20 rupees. 15,000 into 20. So 15,000 into 20 if you pass, you will get that is 3 lakh. But one thing you will keep in mind, whenever you will going to pass the next entry, receiving entry, that time one debenture holder who was having 800 debenture could not pay the last call. So you got bank account debit, calls in area account debit to 9% debenture final call account. First 9% debenture final call account, that you cancel it. Whatever the amount was there you write. And here it is known to you that 800 debentures of rupees 20. Is not it? 800 debentures of rupees 20 means 16,000. तो 3 लाख माइनस 16,000 तो 2,84,000 and 2,84,000 here also you can get total debenture 15,000 it was there. Out of that 800 debentures did not pay, that means 14,200 debentures of rupees 20. If you multiply, you will get 2,84,000. So this is bank account debit. 15,000 minus 800, 14,200 into 20, calls in area 800 into 20 to 9% debenture final call account. So till now what I taught you, that is just only issue of debenture. Very easy way. Journal entry is very easy. Whatever you have learned from the previous chapter, same thing. Call, receive, call, receive, call, receive. Only you have to keep it in mind that whether this question is with the discount or this question is with premium. But एक ही क्वेश्चन में डिस्काउंट एंड प्रीमियम दोनों नहीं होगा. That will keep in mind. The same sum you will not get the discount as well as the premium both. Either you will get premium sums or you will get discount sums. To how to remember that way I told you, premium is credit, discount is debit. These two will come when you will pass the calling entry. Premium and discount is over, and calls in area, it is always debit, but it will come when you will pass the receiving entry. I think you are understanding, even though If you do not understand in any place, you can tell me at any time through WhatsApp. And in the next video, I will tell you the another thing, not regarding the issue. Now we will go to the reading sense. You make practice like these questions both from the illustration as well as the from exercise also, so that you can understand very carefully. Okay, bye.